today we're going to work on how to do a strong palm strike. Now when we do a palm strike for self-defense, we want to make sure we put our entire body behind it. We're going to pivot our hips, we're going to twist our spine, we're going to let our back foot move, and we're going to put our palm 6 to 8 inches through the target. I'm going to have my partner come over. I'm not going to use a fist when I strike to the head. The fist has a lot of little bones. The head is a big bone. And little bones versus that big bone, the little bones are going to lose. So if I'm hitting to the head, I'm going to hit with a palm strike. And as I hit with a palm strike, I want to think about going 6 to 8 inches through. That's what's going to give me power, and that's what's going to knock the person back off of me. So with the pad, it's going to look like this. My hands are going to be up, ready to defend myself. I'm going to push through as I strike, through that pad. My body is going to twist. My back foot is pivoting on the ground. I'm going to hit 6 to 8 inches through the target, bending my knees, being solid, and I'm going to let the energy out. We suggest saying, hey, it's nice and quick, sends the energy out quick, and it can gain a little bit of attention in case you're in a self-defense situation, like this. Hey! 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 6 to 8 inches through the target using my entire body, not just my arm. Sending that energy out with my yell, sinking my weight so I have good balance, and it looks just like this.